7:58 and 58 seconds, and it sounds like you're having a party because you might be off school tomorrow because of a forecast for snow. Is that right? What music is it? Hannah, are you listening to the radio?
Yes, I have the radio on.
Listen to Oz FM.
What?
Listen to Oz FM.
This is.
Oh, let me listen to Oz FM also. Then I can tell you what the delay is. But, oh yeah. Now, are you on the computer or are you on an FM receiver, Hannah? Because it makes a difference.
No, I'm on a radio.
Okay, can you listen to Oz FM? Here, you can do a science experiment for school, Hannah. This would be interesting. You got to listen to on the computer BBC Radio 1, which is a London-based station. And you got to listen to Oz FM on the computer also. And I'll do the same. If you follow me, right, there's going to be a delay, isn't there?
What?
There's going to be a delay, Hannah, because I'm going to hear Oz FM after you on the internet, and you're going to hear BBC Radio 1 after me, and the delay should be equal to each other.
Wait, what number is Oz FM on?
No, not on, but don't do it by FM because it's going at the speed, the signal's traveling at the speed of light. It's not being delayed by computer processing it in Cisco routers on the internet. Do you understand the delay?
Yeah, but look, my mom,
Yeah.
her computer does not have. She doesn't have a computer in the kitchen.
What's the question?
It's not a question. I'm saying that my mom doesn't have.
Oh, okay. We'll have to do this some other time, Hannah. Some other time when you got the computer on, you got to listen to BBC Radio 1 and Oz FM, and we got to try to figure out what the delay in the transmission is, and if we both have the same delay, because if the signal travels on the same cable across the Atlantic, and if there's roughly the same computers between each point, we should have the same delay. Do you understand the theory?
Yeah.
So you might be able to, if you had an accurate enough time source, you might be able to work out the speed of light for a science project if you know the distance. Not really though. You'd need really accurate time sources. But we could do our best estimate, I believe.
Yeah.
Do you know what the time delay between Earth and the Moon is?
Not really helping.
How long does it take for light to travel from the Earth to the Moon? You're saying French where you don't know. Oh my God, you're adding varies. Okay, I can tell you, I think it's about 8 minutes because the Moon is like 55 million miles away. How fast is the speed of light?
Very fast. It's like a microsecond. Faster than a microsecond. Oh, and by the way, it's called good night.
We'll talk about the speed of light later. What's your mom saying? Oh yeah. I called your mom to say goodnight. It's like 3 minutes past 12 and 9 seconds in London. Okay, I'll call you tomorrow. Good night. Bye. Good night. So, that's my 8-year-old niece. And sometimes she keeps up with me, and then other times she doesn't. Like, once before she said to me, "How did nothing become something?" referring to the central premise of cosmology and the Big Bang. So once in a while she'll floor me with being clever. Like she claims she can remember being 2 years old and listening to Elvis with her dad when her dad would take her downstairs. And that was 6 years ago. And I can't remember what I did. Well, I can remember what I did 6 years ago. But can an 8-year-old remember when they're 2 years old? That's a good question.